Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude for learning new programming languages faster and more effectively, even if you're starting from scratch. Learning a new programming language can feel overwhelming, whether you're moving from Python to JavaScript, learning C++, exploring Rust, or trying out Go. There's a lot of new syntax, concepts, and best practices to absorb. Fortunately, Claude can act like a personal programming tutor that helps explain concepts, answer questions, and guide your learning journey. The first thing you should do is tell Claude your current experience level. Instead of simply saying, "Teach me JavaScript," try saying, "I know basic Python, but I'm completely new to JavaScript. Create a beginner-friendly learning plan." This gives Claude important context and allows it to tailor explanations to your existing knowledge. One of the most effective ways to learn a language is by asking Claude to create a structured roadmap. For example, create a 30-day beginner roadmap for learning Go, including daily topics, exercises, and projects. A roadmap helps you focus on the right concepts in the correct order, rather than jumping randomly between tutorials. Another useful technique is to use language comparisons. If you already know one language, ask Claude to compare it with the language you're learning. For example, explain JavaScript concepts using Python examples, or compare C++ variables, loops, and functions to their equivalents in Java. This approach helps you build on knowledge you already have instead of learning everything from scratch. You can also ask Claude to explain code line by line. Whenever you encounter a piece of code you don't understand, use a prompt like, "Explain this code step by step as if I'm a beginner." Claude can break down each statement, explain what it does, and show how the program executes. Practice is essential when learning programming, so ask Claude to generate exercises. For example, give me 5 beginner Python exercises that gradually increase in difficulty. Once you've completed them, you can even ask Claude to review your solutions and explain areas for improvement. Another powerful learning method is project-based learning. Rather than studying syntax endlessly, ask Claude for practical projects. For example, suggest beginner-friendly Rust projects that will teach me variables, functions, loops, and file handling. Building real projects helps reinforce concepts much faster than reading documentation alone. You can also use Claude to identify knowledge gaps. A useful prompt is, "Quiz me on JavaScript fundamentals and identify areas where I need more practice." This turns Claude into an interactive tutor that adapts to your progress. When learning more advanced topics, ask Claude not just how something works, but why it works. Understanding the reasoning behind language features often makes them easier to remember and apply correctly. One of the best all-purpose prompts is, "Act as an experienced programming instructor. Teach me this language step by step, provide explanations, examples, exercises, and small projects, and adjust the difficulty as I improve." Using Claude this way allows you to learn at your own pace, get instant answers to questions, practice with custom exercises, and receive personalized guidance throughout the learning process. Instead of just reading tutorials, you'll have an interactive assistant helping you understand concepts and apply them in real-world coding situations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.